Hello everyone, this is Abraham with Direct Channel, back with another video about Bitdefender GravityZone. In this video we're going to be looking at on-premise GravityZone. So what I've done here is I've gotten the GravityZone virtual appliance link and I've imported it into VMware. So we're going to start from scratch here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change the initial password for BDadmin user. So you're going to hit C, type in your new password, then retype it, okay, so the password will update and then you can log in with that same password. And then it'll authenticate that, and then you're here at the main menu. Okay, so from the main menu, what you're going to want to make sure is you have an active internet connection, which can be checked by going down to Configure Network Settings, click on your network interface, and then show link status. So we're connected, so a link was detected. If not, you can try to configure these settings manually here or automatically through a DHCP here, and this will be where you can show your IP information if needed. But right now I'll just go back, and what you're going to want to do is install the first database role. So just to get the database role, what you can do automatic installation where it will automatically install the roles you need, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to advanced settings, install/uninstall roles, add or remove roles, okay to the information, and then spacebar to check database, and then click enter. Following changes will be made and the database server role will be installed. Click yes. So then it will check your environment and install the role, and I will get back to you when that role is installed. Also, another thing I forgot is when you try to install the database server role, you will have to configure a new database password. So anywhere from 6 to 32 characters in length, including one digit, one uppercase, one lowercase, and a special character. So I'm just going to enter in a password real quick. Oops, I gotta click on that. Click down arrow and fill in the new one. Then hit tab and enter. And now it should finally begin to download the database server role. There we go. And I'll catch you on the other side of this. Okay, so I now have the database role installed, and I'm going to go back and then set new database password. We can see all the advanced settings here. I'm going to install a couple more roles here with add or remove roles. So as you can see, this is already marked with an asterisk, so it means it's already installed. I'm also going to do, let's see, update server, communication server, and web console for this particular machine. So I'm going to hit OK there, and I will install those. And web console typically takes a bit longer than the other roles, so I will get back to you once this is finished. Okay, so when you have all your roles installed, as I do now, you can switch gears and go to your web browser, and from there we can go to the control center for GravityZone. What you're going to want to do is in the search bar of your browser type in https:// then enter the IP address. From there you're going to be sent to a product registration page where you can enter a license key. In this case I already have right here. So once you do that, you can just click next. Then for incidents, you're going to need to do the incident server role in your appliance. I did not activate that one, so that's why that's popping up. And then you can enter your company details. I'll just enter in some random company details, and I'll get back to you after that. Okay, so now that I've filled it out, I'm just gonna create the account, and it'll create your root account. Now being initialized, and then it should boot up just fine. Yep. And here we are back in the main console. You can just close out of that. That's an extra page. Essential steps. Oh, and there we go. It ended up being full screen. One second, let me get that fixed up. And there we go. There you can see the whole screen, the dashboard, the incidents, you can network, policies, reports, quarantine, the whole shebang. All here in the GravityZone Control Center. And that's how you set up your on-premise GravityZone. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.